Well, class, again, welcome to our course on business ethics and the law. My name is Damon Borrelli. I'll be your professor for the next semester. And this first video is just a welcome to you, give a brief overview of what we'll be doing in the course and going from there. So, without further ado, our course objectives in this case, obviously the first one is we're going to be studying about ethics and the law. We'll also be applying that to the foundational aspects of business, in other words, planning, organizing, leading, and monitoring to form ethical and legally compliant organizations and to recognize when things are going a bit askew and how to correct them. The next thing is we'll be studying the case study method. For those of you that are either well into the MBA program or finishing up, you've already done a lot of case study work, and I just hope to be able to hone those skills a little bit better. And for those of you that are now entering the program or are new to it, to give you some insights that I've developed over the term of my career as both an attorney and an MBA student, so that hopefully together we'll be able to find new ways and more effective ways of communicating. Now, finally, the last thing is we'll be learning to communicate across a variety of media. Now, obviously we'll be in class, we'll be doing some in-person work, but also we'll be using the discussion board. I'll be using YouTube. There's email methodologies for us to talk through. So there's a variety of ways that we're going to be discussing the course, subject matter, as well as learning to discuss as business people amongst ourselves. And finally, what's the methodology for the course? The course has first an in-class and an online component. We're going to be meeting about 6 or 7 times in class and another 6 or 7 times online. The syllabus obviously has information on what our objectives are, but beyond that, we'll be talking about the assignments. You'll never leave without knowing what the exact assignment is for a course for the next week or so. And then finally, if you have any questions at all, and I know some of you already have reached out to me this way, you have my phone number, you can always text me. If it's really critical, you can always call, and you can use email as well. So there's many methods for us to communicate through. One thing I just ask is for you to understand that in some circumstances, the pressures of my job may require that I can't get back to you right away. I always try to get back to people within 48 hours. So that's where we're starting from, folks. We're going to have a very interesting semester. There'll be a lot of videos for you to watch, hopefully for you to enjoy. A little bit of hubris there. But going forward, I hope that you learn a lot in our course, and if you ever have any questions, I want you to feel free to be able to reach out to me. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon as we do our next group of videos for the class. Thank you much.